Hello everyone, today we are going to make vegetable rice with Spicytude Rice Pilaf mix. Start by chopping onion, garlic, carrot, green beans and potatoes. Finally make a slit in green chillies. Put a pan over medium heat, add oil and your rice pilaf mix. Then add garlic, onion, add your green chilies and cook until the onions are golden brown. Add all your chopped vegetables along with the peas and then cook for 3 minutes. Then add rice, water, salt and increase the heat. Once most of the water evaporates, stir it once and cover it and lower the flame. After 5 minutes, top it with ghee and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching.